Hey, what's going on? This is Asa coming to you live, and guess what month it is? Mike. Yeah, right. Not only is it Hump Day, but it is Life Insurance Awareness Month. And just wanted to talk to you a little bit about the importance of understanding life insurance. Why is it important, and how you can really use insurance as a financial tool. Many people use it or look at it as an expense, but it's a tool that can lead to legacy wealth building, can lead to retirement early, can lead to asset protection. So there are many different things that life insurance has and does that most people don't know about. So one of my clients sent me a video. I want to start it with this video talking about how it is a tool. So I want to share this video with you, and it's how business owners have been using life insurance for decades. Not only business owners, that you're an employee of a business, the managers of a business, but also consumers as well. And we talk a little bit about that in a few minutes, but check out this video.
One of the things that Walmart does is they have a wealth plate that they use where they put life insurance on all of their employees. Everyone
Life insurance on all of their employees. Why in the world would a company do that? Listen,
has a
Oh
life insurance policy.
man. Wait. They have a life insurance policy on all their employees. If anything happens, it goes back to them.
There's people who they didn't have enough money to get insurance for their family, and their family member died. While maybe not at the store, but while being an employee at Walmart.
Right.
And so that person tried to sue Walmart for money because they found out about these insurance policies that Walmart has on on the employees. Yep.
That's crazy.
Yep.
That's actually genius.
Yeah. It is.
That's
bro.
actually genius. That's a
It is.
killer.
Yeah.
They're making so much bread
Yeah.
outside of just the income that they make from Walmart.
Absolutely.
They're making a family bank out the gate.
so how do you feel about that? It doesn't matter because this is what's going on a regular basis, and it is invisible to most people because of the indoctrination that you have received. Life insurance is a tool, and there are major corporations that have been using life insurance on their employees as a tool, and most employees are completely oblivious to it. One of my clients called me, and he is working in a car dealership, and uh, part of his new hire packet, he was going through different paperwork, and he was like, "Yeah, I don't want this." He was declining a lot of things, but when it came to the life insurance portion, the company said, "You cannot decline this. This is mandatory." So he called me, and it's like, "Is this really what's going on?" Yes, that's why I want to show you that video on what someone has discovered with Walmart. If you go into the banking industry, there are other videos that I've posted about banks and how banks are the largest owners of cash value life insurance than anyone else in the globe. They have more cash value life insurance than they have in assets in real estate for the businesses. Why is that? Because it is a valuable tool. It is not an asset in the eyes of the IRS. So the money that is accumulated in there cannot be garnished, cannot be leaned up, and cannot be taken as a result of a life insurance. So just want you to know that there are multiple uses for life insurance. Business owners, it's two of you. Key man or key woman, key person insurance is something that you can have just in case there is something that happens where the employee or your key partner can no longer work in your business. What is the purpose of all of this? Well, in management, let's take a bank manager. For you folks that are business owners, how long or how much does it take to hire someone, to train them, to put them in place, and for them to become efficient in the business? That's a lot of time, that's a lot of money. And when that person needs to be replaced, that time and money becomes a gap. There's a void. So that's what the life insurance is there for. If a loved one in a family, if the father passes away or the mother passes away, they have certain uh, roles and responsibilities in the family. We can't replace the loved one, but we can replace the lifestyle that that loved one was allowing the family to have. So it's just multiple uses of real estate. I'm sorry, insurance. The main thing I want to talk about is something called living benefits. Why do you need them? There are so many of my peers that I'm finding out someone had a GoFundMe because they just found out they have cancer. Well, based on a living benefit says that depending on the severity of the illness that someone has, the life insurance company will release 25, 50, up to 75% of the death benefit to the family so that the family can um, maintain the lifestyle, replace the income of the lost loved one, allow the loved one to get advanced medical treatment. So there's so many things that can happen that need to happen when you're talking about living benefits that are many people should have, because if they had it, there would be no need for a GoFundMe to help someone who has cancer. So these are things that you don't think about until it's a problem after the fact. But if you have $1 million policy, that's a bigger policy. But if it was $1 million policy and you became ill, and based on the different levels of the living benefit requirements, let's just say it was 25%. So that means 25% of the death benefit will be released to you. Now, would that allow you to do some things with your money? Yes, it will give you peace of mind first. That person who has become ill now has peace of mind that the family will still be able to maintain the quality of life, that the family will not have a major shortcoming, that the family will be able to focus on supporting you, the loved one, versus scrambling around about figuring out how to get the money. So I just wanted to come to you. This is Life Insurance Awareness Month, and just want to talk to you about something. There's a Bible verse that says, "My people are destroyed for the lack of knowledge." There's a Bible verse, Hosea 4:6, that says, "My people are destroyed for the lack of knowledge." And I'm attempting to give some knowledge here. Please share this video with friends, family members, business partners, strangers, because the more you know, the more you're equipped and prepared. Just imagine if you spent the same amount of money you're spending on a cell phone bill. People are always going to have their cell phones. Or if you spent the same amount of money that you're spending on the insurance on that cell phone, and you spent a portion of that to insure your life in case something happens. Well, you know something's going to happen. You know that we're not going to get out of this situation alive. We know that. So why would you not put yourself in a position to be protected? You have insurance on your cell phones just in case you drop it, just in case the case falls off and you break it. It's just in case. But you have not insured the entity, you, that you know is going to expire. It's Life Insurance Awareness Month. Share this video with friends, family, co-workers, because the more you begin a conversation, the more informed you get, and the more you are not destroyed because you have the knowledge. All right? Talk to you soon.